Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this is part 2 of the lamp makeover. I ended up not actually closing out the last DIY because my phone died, so I apologize. But let's go ahead and just get right started. So basically what I did was I had the lamps from the at-home store. I went on ahead and I painted them white, as you can see. And now what I'm doing is I'm taking my Waverly chalk paint and the black. I have my brush and I barely dipped it in just where you can see just ever so slightly a little bit of paint. And now I'm going to start at the base and I'm just going to go right around the edges right here. And the good part is you really can't mess this up. You can do as little or as much as you like. And if for some reason you did a little bit too much, you can always stop and paint over it white and then go ahead and just go back in with the black. So I'm just going to kind of do a little bit of light brush strokes. Turn that around. And I'm getting to the point where I need a little bit more paint, so I'm just going to dip it in. And I see how I got too much. I just blot it right here on the paper. And then I won't need to dip it back into my paint at all because I'll be using it from right here. Just be a little careful. And you can go, you know, as much or as little as you like on the paint. That's the good part in the farmhouse. And if you mess up, it's no big deal. So, and then what's really nice with these brushes is it gets right in these grooves, or you know, just as you're going over, like just perfect. And they don't have to be matchy either, so that's nice. Okay, and I like doing like the big parts last, just so I can see how much paint I actually used. And I'm going to cover it all. And then I will turn this lamp around. Alright. So basically, for the most part, I got everywhere. And then I'm just going to kind of damp off the brush a little bit more. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do like the base of it. Not too much because I don't like the big swipes like this. I like more of like the small ones. But and just make sure that your this paint, it dries really quickly. Just make sure it's all painted or dried, because if it's not, as soon as you mix the black, it'll be gray if you're not careful. I did that on the other one on accident and I had to paint over it, but it was not a big deal. Okay, so let's turn this around real quick and give it a little bit of black here and there. And that is it. It's done. All right, so the lamps are finished. Let me kind of just go back a little bit and give you a final look. These are both of the lamps. And this is going to go right when you walk in on my entryway table. And this project, $24, well, $25 with tax for both lamps. But literally it was the cheap paint, $6 each for the chalk paint. And these brushes work best for white and then the black, just so you can get really good in the creases. So if you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and go ahead and click that subscribe button for more DIYs that are coming, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.